So, you've just submitted your expense report on Expensify. It's been approved, and now you're wondering, how long until that sweet reimbursement cash hits my account? Let's dive in and uncover the truth behind Expensify's reimbursement timeline. Understanding Expensify's reimbursement process. First, let's quickly recap how Expensify works. You snap a photo of your receipt, submit your expense report, and wait for approval. Once approved, the magic happens. Expensify's system processes your claim, and your company's finance team reviews it. Factors affecting reimbursement time. Now, the big question, how long does this process take? Well, it depends on a few factors. Company's reimbursement policy. Quick and easy, some companies have streamlined processes and can reimburse within a few days. Complex and time-consuming, others might have more intricate policies, leading to longer processing times. Expense complexity. Simple claims, straightforward expenses, like meals and travel, are usually processed faster. Complex claims, international expenses, foreign currency conversions, or special approvals can take longer. Expensify's system status. Smooth sailing. If Expensify's system is working flawlessly, your claim will be processed efficiently. Technical glitches. Occasional technical issues can cause delays. Real-world experiences and tips. Based on user experiences and expert advice, here are some insights. Typical reimbursement time. In most cases, you can expect to receive your reimbursement within 5 to 10 business days after approval. Accelerating the process. Submit clear and accurate receipts. Ensure your receipts are legible and all necessary information is visible. Categorize expenses correctly. Proper categorization helps in faster processing. Follow company policies. Adhere to your company's expense policies to avoid delays. Checking reimbursement status. Expensify's mobile app. Use the app to track the status of your claims. Company's finance portal. Check your company's finance portal for updates. Troubleshooting delayed reimbursements. If your reimbursement is taking longer than expected, consider these steps. Check Expensify for errors. Ensure there are no errors in your expense report. Contact your finance team. Reach out to your finance team for clarification. Consult Expensify's support. If you're facing technical issues, contact Expensify's support team. While Expensify has streamlined the expense reimbursement process, factors like company policies, expense complexity, and system status can influence the timeline. By understanding these factors and following best practices, you can expedite your reimbursements and enjoy your hard-earned money sooner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.